Today we will make pizza in pala alla romana from scratch. This is the dough of our pizza. This morning I take out from the fridge. You have to press, but to be attention to don't let all air coming out from the dough. Flip on your arm, flour, extra virgin olive oil. Okay, the pizza base is done. Now we will make a pizza with sausage, rapini, mozzarella, and potato. We start with the mozzarella. We have the boiled potato. We add the rapini. We spread some garlic. And after sausage. Don't be stingy when you make the pizza. So add some olive oil. And this is our pizza. Come to enjoy.